Hey y'all, so I'm about to do an install on my hair. I have two wigs that I got from Luvme. They had a buy one get one free sale, so I decided to hop on that while it was hot. Got me two wigs, and what I'm doing now is about to braid my hair down, but I am starting my hair on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair last night. It's nice and soft. It feels so good. It feels so good and fluffy. I was going to try to straighten it, but I decided not to. It's raining outside, and that's just gonna be a waste of heat on my hair. Unnecessary heat. Were you able to get one of them wigs from Luvme when they had that sale? I mean, they had it for Black Friday, but it extended way beyond Black Friday and way past Cyber Monday. Like, that was a good sale. So, starting on freshly washed hair. It feels so good. Oh my goodness. Now the hard part, braiding. Ooh. Be careful. Kind of cute. This is kind of giving. This is kind of cute. Oh, I like this. Hold on, let me take a picture real fast. Okay y'all, so I just got done braiding down my hair. It is not the neatest, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Now I have this surfer. I have this Sofa 8. It doesn't have the Sofa 8 smell, you know, like the real, I don't know if it's menthol or whatever, tea trees. I don't know what smell it is, but it don't have that smell, but it has the same sensation. Like, it feels so good on my scalp. It feels like it's just opening my scalp and letting the new hairs just grow through. Like, it feels so great. I put this on. I put it on some of my hair. And now let's do the unboxing for the wig. Oh, I'm not going to show y'all the back of my hair. I'm not going to show you the back of my hair because I know it's quite embarrassing. You know, I started off real good with the first two braids. But baby, once I started going over here, I stopped caring. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 8 braids. I did it even. I don't even know how I did that. Okay, I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show you the back of my hair, but don't judge me, okay? I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, I hope you can see it. But it's through. But that don't matter because you can still get the job done. I know I'm doing a lot of talking. If your attention span is short and you want to just see the review of the hair, just go ahead and scroll forward. Trust me, no, I ain't taking it personal. It's okay. Go ahead and scroll through and get to the review of the hair, because I get it. Our attention spans ain't as long as they used to be. Okay. All right, y'all. So now I'm going to take this, this dye fill and oil my scalp with it. It comes out very fast, so be careful. Now for the grand reveal of the unboxing. Yes! And this is not a paid partnership, y'all. And I'm gonna come back with an update, because let me tell you, I do not feel like people keep it real on social media enough. Like, they be getting paid to do the promotion of the hair, but I think that they just be speaking. They don't even wear the wigs long enough to even tell us how the hair is withstanding, how it is after a few days, how it is after a month or so. So I will be giving you an update, baby, and give you the real tea, because I ain't got no money to be wasting, okay? And if these companies do want to pay me, please expect the truth. That's what we're gonna do. So this is how it comes. Got this from Luvme, of course. I love it. Really cute. Really cute. So I got a burgundy wig, a plum color. Also inside here comes a hair net where you can put your wigs in, which is very, very, very useful. Okay, Luvme. They all did that stuff. Okay. Gave me a wig cap, 2 wig caps, which I really need because I don't have a wig cap. And then this little pouch. This is really cute because I didn't get this stuff when I got my last curly wig, and I'll do a review on that too. This is an edge tie. Let's open it real fast. Let's lay them edges down. Okay, cute. Luvme, yes. That's really cute. Okay, a little wallet that says Luvme. A little card holder. Can you see it? Material. Ooh, ooh. Oh, this is a mirror holder. It comes with a mirror. This is cute. Then a brush, an edge brush. Now, I'm not gonna be wearing this wig today. She looking a little thin. Look, she looking a little thin, but you know, maybe when I comb the curls out, she'll be a little full. I have another wig from Luvme. The packaging, as well as the other one, is superb. Love it. Well packaged. This is a 12-inch as well. And y'all, I'm actually not going to show you the things that's inside this box because it's the same thing as the other one. A wig holder. Y'all know the words. But it's the same exact stuff. And I really do appreciate the extra goodies. Luvme. Thank you. Make me feel loved. I'm scared. This is supposed to be 200 density, y'all. Not the burger, the burger. Okay, I don't know why I just did that, but actually, you know, even though it's not fitting my face as it is out the box, I look like a cone head. But I can honestly say, look at that. It has body. It has body. This is how the back looks. I don't know. She just bouncing and stuff. She bouncing. I like her. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this flat iron up and get to styling because I gotta do my makeup and everything. Or should I do my makeup first? Oh, this is what I'm going for. Okay. This is completely glueless. Yeah, it fits secure. It's very lightweight. It says silky straight. And that's exactly what it is. But we're gonna put some little curls up in her, get her a little, you know, little bounce or something. And yeah, I'm gonna do my hair first. Is it makeup first and hair, or hair first and makeup? I don't know. But this is how I'm about to do it. I am not cutting this wig cap and gluing it down to my head and stuff. I don't have time for that. So I put a little bit of foundation on my hand. I'm gonna tap into that and just put it all on this cap where the closure is at. Take a clip. Oh, see, the cap looks good under there. Oh, we in there. So now I'm about to just spray it. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the mirror that Luvme provided me and spray it around the scalp. Let's see. Keep in mind, you do not have to do this step. This wig can be completely glueless. Take the blow dryer, put it on cool. Only thing I don't like about this got to be spray that is sometimes it does turn white. So I'm gonna try something else. Take my little scissors and go ahead and get the cut. They said silky straight, they weren't playing. It definitely is silky straight. That tail gonna have to lay down. She gonna have to lay down if she wanna be a part of this style. Now let's be honest. Don't get any wig thinking that you're not gonna be able to see the neck. Baby, you can still see it. Now if I zoom in, if I get close enough, you gonna see it. You see it. It's there. It's a little better because the I think this is a transparent lace, but it's there. So don't get upset when you get this and say, "Oh, she said it was transparent." It is. It's not your real hair. It's transparent. It's a good material, good lace. I think people be thinking that you're just not gonna see nothing. Nah, you gonna see something. It's been quite a while since I did my makeup, And I'm kind of scared, a little nervous about doing it because I don't want to mess up. I don't feel like I lost the touch, but at the same time, I feel like if you don't use something as much, then, you know, it's a possibility that you can lose the touch. This is a good pencil. Who is this by? Wet n Wild. They got a good eyebrow pencil. I highly recommend. I don't know, was it recording? Okay, so I got the hot comb on and I'm just trying to reposition this hair. So instead of it being a middle part, oh shoot, oh, y'all know I'm not used to doing my hair right. I'm just taking it and swooping it to the side to place it like this. Little side curl. Give it a little something going on. Okay, so because it's so full right here, my God, I'm gonna try to do a little part right here. I don't want any tight curls, just wanted to have a little something. Okay, if that's a little something, then yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm about to spray some of this, oops, sorry. Some of this spray right here, because this hair right here is sticking up. Just spray it right there. So sit down. When they say silky straight, that's what they mean. It's silky straight. I just put a few curls in it. I'm gonna put some concealer right here, and then I'm going on my merry way. And this is what I have. This is cute. I like it. So this is what I have. And I am not disappointed, y'all. I'm gonna actually give you an update in a few weeks to see how it's holding up, because I work out a lot and stuff, and I'm gonna wear this to the gym. It is. So I'm gonna let you know. But so far, I love it. What do you think?